chasing a truth I could call my own. The world may measure worth in chains, but I find freedom in the rain. Freedom over gold, my soul can be sold. I'm rich in dreams the stars foretold. No price can weigh the light I hold. I choose my path, I break the mold. The weight of greed can drag you down, but I was born to turn it around. I'll build my life on love and fire, a fortune shaped by my desire. No bank can hold what makes me whole. No cage can tame my restless soul. I'll trade the gold for skies untamed. The freedom found can't be